Just last year, Casey Harrell, living with ALS, received 4 electrode arrays implanted in his brain, restoring his ability to communicate verbally. This remarkable case is a powerful testament to how autonomous systems are not just transforming industries, but fundamentally redefining our understanding of work and even health itself. Let's explore some surprising ways this is happening. Take TIDI Products, a global supplier of infection prevention gear. By simply deploying robotic lean palletizing technology for their end-of-line operations, they achieved a concrete 30% increase in throughput. This wasn't a massive overhaul, but a targeted robotic upgrade, proving that focused automation can directly translate into significantly higher output. Beyond the factory floor, AI is also reshaping how businesses interact with their markets. Sarang Gupta, a senior data scientist at OpenAI, helps companies adopt ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. His role? Translating complex technical capabilities into market strategies that truly enhance customer engagement and streamline sales pipelines. It's a growing trend. AI specialists are now integral drivers of revenue. And then there's the realm of scientific discovery. Reflecting on a quarter-century of work, Ross King created the very first robot scientist, Adam, back in 2009. King's research has explored how robotic systems can autonomously formulate hypotheses, design experiments, and interpret results. It's not about replacing human labor, but augmenting the scientific method with relentless, consistent experimentation. Returning to healthcare, Casey Harrell's experience with the experimental brain-computer interface highlights how neuroprosthetics are beginning to address severe motor impairments. By detecting neural signals linked to speech intent and translating them into synthesized language, these systems are restoring essential communicative functions. It's truly life-changing, even if the technology is still experimental. What we're seeing is a convergence of these developments. Targeted automation boosts productivity. Sustained investment in robotic research accelerates discovery. And neurotechnology is restoring critical functions and improving quality of life. The evidence suggests a future where deep technical talent, paired with market-facing roles, will drive commercial success, and closed-loop platforms will shorten R&D cycles. Imagine the therapeutic reach as brain-computer interfaces expand beyond ALS to other motor neuron conditions. What will be the next frontier?